Hello, my name is Milvad, and today we are going to work with muting events in the Eloquent. Muting events is the latest section in the Eloquent, but if any updates in the Eloquent, I create a new video. Don't worry about it. And what about the muting events? Muting events, when you are, for example, using observe or events in the Eloquent, and you want, for example, delete a model without fire any events, you can use muting events in the Eloquent. So let's go to docs is Eloquent and muting events, and you can read about the muting events and for more information. So first, I here create a product. When refresh, so let's wait to, and here you can see create a log and right after product create and before product create. So if you want to create a product without fire any events, you can use a model, for example product or category or user or something else. You can use the without events and use a callback, and you can doing your action here. For example, you want to create a new product, and let's go to see the result. Refresh again, and you can see there is no new log here, and it's about the first try without without events method. It's a first way to mute the events in the model. You can, for example, here for example, you can find one, and for example you want to change the title to for example Taylor, and you want to save the product, but you can use the save quietly. And let's refresh again. The title is null because there isn't find. You can use find any product. We can use first, and let's go. So it's about the error about the find title. We can delete this Laravel log and refresh again. You can see there is no Laravel log here because there isn't fire any events. And also we have a something another method, for example delete quietly or force delete quietly, and also restore quietly. When you are using a qualities quietly methods is there is no events fire, but for example if you are using a delete there is fire events, and you can see use a without events and do a action, for example delete. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you all like my video, you can like my video and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggest or any comments, you can add a comment under my video. I hope this video is helpful for you, and until next video, goodbye.